The org extension identifies an Emacs Org-mode document containing structured notes, task management, and literate programming content. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you edit, export, or manage these organizational document files. The fastest way to confirm a file's state is with a dedicated file reader. It's better at handling ORG files with integrity issues than most dedicated programs. ORG files are Emacs Org-mode documents containing hierarchically structured plaintext content for note-taking, task management, project planning, and literate programming. They combine outlining, scheduling, and document authoring in a powerful markup format within the Emacs editor. Org-mode, ORG, files use plaintext markup with for headings, TODO, done for task states, scheduling timestamps, deadline markers, code blocks, with no twice begin, SRC and table formatting using pipe characters. They support agenda views and export to HTML, LaTeX, and PDF. GNU Emacs from GNU Project is the core program designed for the ORG structure. Windows can show the file exists, but cannot perform color space correction or rendering. Windows may preview the page, but complete editing relies on compatible document software. The solution usually starts here. Right-click the ORG file and select Open With. Try GNU Emacs as your first attempt. If you don't see it, choose another application. Keep testing until the file cooperates. If you cannot access the ORG file, no problem. Let's get the technical grounding straight. Before we jump to the universal solution, let's look at the specific reasons this ORG file is failing to load. First, editing in Emacs. Open ORG files in GNU Emacs with org mode enabled, which is included by default. Use tab to cycle heading visibility, S left right to change to-do states, and CCCT for task cycling. Navigate the outline structure with CCCNP for efficient document management. Next, exporting documents. In Emacs with org mode, use CCCE to open the export dispatcher. Select H for HTML, for LaTeX, P for PDF or other formats. Org mode generates professionally formatted output with table of contents, cross-references, and syntax highlighted code blocks. Finally, using outside Emacs. Open org files in Visual Studio Code with the org mode extension or other editors with org format support. While lacking full Emacs org mode functionality, these tools provide heading navigation, task management, and basic export capabilities for org document editing. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need, available at filemagick.com. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.